Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you a interesting application to record screen in PC. Without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, fire up the web browser and type Microsoft Encoder 4. Download the application by the following links. I'm not downloading the application because I have already downloaded, and search for application and open it. App user interface looks like this. First of all, we need to know about app settings. Here we have mic, audio source, webcam and settings. If you click on settings, we can see screen settings, that is frame rate, bitrate, quality. You can set them manually what you need. And next we have camera. If you have a external camera or if you want to use web camera, you can set up it here. And next audio, microphone, stereo mix, stereo speaker, which you have, you can select here. Next, hotkey is nothing but shortcuts. If you want to start or stop, we have shortcut keys, and we have also for zooming. And next is others. Here we have plenty of options: highlight mouse pointer, show countdown before recording, beep on starting, show recording toolbar, show flash boundary, use webcam capture as overlay. After clicking on record, you can see a pop-up like this, and you can set screen height and width. I am clicking here simply full screen. After selecting and completing your recording, it will shows like this. Select the file and click send to encoder. Automatically video will be exported to encoder. There you select the path where you want to save after encoding and just click on encode. That's it. Your file will be saved on path where you selected. Thanks for watching.